Hello student, good morning, welcome back. So today I'm going to discuss rest of the exercise problems in Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry chapter. So here is our first problem. Verify the following. So there are three coordinates given here. Okay, and we show that these are the vertices of right angle triangle. Okay, so firstly we give it name. P is equal to 0, 7, 10. Q is equal to -1, 6, 6. And R is equal to -4, 9, 6. Okay. This is a P, Q and R. Okay. Firstly we find out this length PQ, then QR and then PR. Okay. If this all satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Okay. I mean PQ square QR square is equal to PR square. Then these three vertices form right angle triangle. Okay. So firstly we find out this length PQ. Yes. So how we find? So P and Q already given here. Okay. So firstly difference between x coordinates 0 -1. Okay. Whole square. 7 minus 6 square. 10 minus 6 square. Okay. So this minus and minus 1 and total square it becomes 1. 7 minus 6 1 square. Finally it becomes 1. 4 square. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 16 is equal to 18. Total 18. Okay. So now we find QR. Okay. So this QR, coordinate of Q and coordinate of R are given here. Okay. So -1 and this -4 whole square plus 6 minus 9 square. 6 minus 6 square. Okay. -1 plus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 9 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 6 0. Okay. So -1 plus 4 3 square and this finally becomes 9 and this is a 0. Okay. So 3 square 9 and this 9 under root 18. Okay, and now we find P to R. We find here P to R. So what is the value of PR? Similarly as before. Okay, so its coordinates given here. So P to R. So 0 minus and -4 whole square plus 7 minus 9 whole square and 10 minus 6 whole square. So it becomes minus and minus plus, sorry, one bracket comes here, that is a 4 square plus 7 minus 9 minus 2 whole square, 10 minus 6 4 square, 16 4 and this 16. Okay. Finally 16 plus 16 32 plus 4 36 6. Okay. So now we use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we put these all values PQ square plus QR square. Okay, this is our triangle P and this Q and this R. So PQ square QR square. Okay, so we put the value of PQ square and its value under root 18 whole square. QR square is value already given here, that is under root 18. Okay, this is under root 18 and this is under root 18. So 18 plus 18 finally 36 is equal to 1 minute. Okay, 36 square, I mean its value is we take here that is a 6 square. Okay, 36 is equal to 6 square. So finally we write here PR square. Okay, so what is our value PR? PR is equal to 6. Okay, so it's square, so PR square. Okay, 36. So this is our value. Okay, so this shows that PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Okay, so here Pythagoras theorem verified. So these three vertices form right angle triangle. Okay, our next problem is here. So there are 4 coordinates given here and we show that these four coordinates form parallelogram. Okay, firstly we give it name. P is equal to -1 2 1, Q 1 -2 5, R is equal to 4 -7 8, and S is equal to 2 -3 4. These four coordinates form parallelogram. P, Q, R, S, and we know that opposite sides of parallelogram must be equal. So PS is equal to QR and PQ is equal to SR. If we show that if these coordinates satisfy this condition, then we say that these coordinates form parallelogram. Okay, so we already know that. Firstly we find out this distance. Okay, PQ. We already know that. We use the formula here. Okay, I mean if we have any coordinate A is equal to x1, y1, z1, and B x2, y2, and z2. Okay, if these two coordinates given, then the distance between these 2 points, we take under root square. Okay, difference between these x coordinates, x1 minus x2 whole square, difference between these y coordinates, y1 minus y2 whole square, and difference between z coordinates, z1 minus z2 whole square. Okay, we use this formula to find out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so we have these coordinates given here. So firstly we find out P to Q, and after that Q to R, R to S, and then S to P. So firstly we find out PQ. So PQ, okay, so P already given here. Coordinate of P is -1 2 1, and Q is equal to 1 -2 5. Okay, so we find distance between these 2 points, PQ. Okay, difference between x coordinates, -1, minus sign comes here, and this coordinates square, plus we take y coordinates minus, and y coordinates of this second coordinate is -2 whole square. Okay, so this coordinates, z coordinates 1 minus, and this 5 whole square is equal to, this is a -2 whole square plus 2, and minus minus plus 2 square, and here -4 square, 4, and this 4 square 16, 4 square 16, 16 and 16 32, and this plus 4 36, and finally 6. And now we find this length Q to R. So coordinate of Q is given here 1 -2 5, and coordinate of R 4 -7 8. Okay, so QR is equal to difference between x coordinates 1 -4 whole square, difference between y coordinates -2 minus, and this -7 square, and difference between this z coordinates 5 -8. Okay, square. Okay, so -3 square plus -2 minus plus 7 square, 5 -8 -3 square, -3 square 9, 5 square, and here 9. Okay, so 9 and 9 18 plus 25. Okay, so here 5. Okay, 5 square, and here -3. Okay, so what we get here, 343. Okay, so now we find SR. Okay, this length. So we have coordinate R is equal to 4 -7 8, and S is equal to 2 -3 4. Okay, so SR is equal to under root 4 -2 square plus -7 minus, and this -3 square, 8 -4 square, 4 -2 2 square. Okay, -7, and this minus plus 3 square, 8 -4 4 square, 2 square 4, and here 4 square, and this 4 square, 16 and plus 4, finally 16 plus 16 32 plus 4 36 6. Okay, and now we find P2S. Coordinate of P is equal to, firstly we write coordinate of P and coordinate of S. Okay, coordinate of S is equal to 2 minus 3 4. Okay, so we find PS. Okay, so firstly difference between x coordinates, -1 minus and 2 square. 2 minus sign comes here and this -3 square plus 1 minus 4 square. Okay, so this is the -3 square plus 2 minus plus 3 square, and this 1 minus 4 minus 3 square. -3 square 9, 3 to 5, so 5 square, and this 3 square. 9 25 and this 9. Okay, 9 and 9 18 plus 25 43. Okay, so now we have all lengths. Okay, so we already find out all the lengths. Okay, so PQ is finally 6, QR 43. Okay, SR 6 and this 43. Okay, so these opposite sides are equal. I mean length of these sides and length of these sides equal. Okay, that is a PS and QR is equal to 43 and PQ and SR is equal to 6. Okay, so this all coordinates satisfy the condition of parallelogram. Okay, I mean opposite sides are equal here. Okay, so these all 4 coordinates form this parallelogram. Our next problem is here. Find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the points. Okay, this points and this point. Okay, so firstly we find out the equation of the set of points. So here we take any line. Okay, and we give it name. Okay, this is the P coordinate 1 2 3, and we take here Q coordinate 3 2 minus 1, and here we take any point R, X Y Z. Okay, R is unknown, and here given that these points are equidistant from both these points. Okay, I mean these two lengths are equal. Okay, so we can write here PR square is equal to RQ square. Okay, both these lengths are equal. Okay, so we have to find the equation of the set of points. Okay, so firstly we find out this distance PR, and so here 1 minus x square plus 2 minus y square plus 3 minus z square. Okay, is equal to RQ. Okay, we find this distance R to Q. So difference between x coordinate x minus 3 square, now y minus 2 square, z minus 1 square, z minus and minus 1 square. Okay, so 1 minus x square plus 2 minus y square 3 minus z square is equal to x minus 3 square plus y minus 2 square plus minus and minus 1. Okay, minus and minus it becomes plus, z plus 1 square. Okay, so here 1 plus x square minus 2x, 4 minus 4 plus y square minus 4y, 9 plus z square minus 6z. Okay, is equal to, we break it, x square plus 9 minus 6x, y square plus 4 minus 4y plus, we break it now, z square plus 1 plus 2z. Okay, so here x square and x square cancel, y square cancel, z square and z square cancel. Okay, then what left here, 1 4 plus 1 5, and this 9, 5 and 9 14, minus 2x this term, minus 4y and minus 6z. Okay, and here 9 and 4, 9 and 10 plus 4 14, minus 6x minus 4y and plus 2z. Okay, so 14 and 14 will be cancelled. Okay, so these all terms comes to left hand side, then their sign will be changed. Okay, so 6x and this plus 4y and this minus 2z, and here minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to 0. 6x minus 2x, 4x, 4y minus 4y. Okay, finally both cancel, and here minus 2z and minus 6z minus 8z is equal to 0. Okay, so we take 4 common here, x minus 2z left inside this bracket, 4 goes to right hand side, and finally it becomes 0, x minus 2z is equal to 0.